Jazz Bakhabar Kisan is a digital platform catering to all facets of agriculture. Daily, more than 2.1 million farmers use the platform to get information on the best agricultural practices. On a daily basis, over 2 million farmers are sent text messages, more than 26,000 calls are handled by our dynamic IVR, and over 2,000 calls are handled by our agriculture experts in our call center. Voice message service is used to send localized informational messages, advisories, and alerts related to weather and disease. The Jazz Bakhabar Kisan Android application provides farmers with relevant agricultural news, complete information on crops, fruits, vegetables, and livestock in 6 languages. The photo analysis feature allows farmers to take pictures and videos of poor performing plants for analysis by our experts. Jazz Bakhabar Kisan provides advice and information on every stage of a crop or a plant's life cycle, starting from soil preparation, sowing, irrigation, fertilizer application, harvesting, and on to post-harvest sales using farm to home.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम किसान भाइयों, बाखबर किसान वीडियो चैनल के साथ मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान।
बाखबर किसान सर्विस के तासुतहर
Jazz Bakhabar Kisan uses state-of-the-art technologies, provide actionable advisories based on satellite imagery, IoT-based soil test, drone imagery analysis, growth monitors, and farm-specific weather stations. It also provides farm monitoring through cameras. Furthermore, Jazz Bakhabar Kisan provides an e-marketplace for buying and selling of agricultural inputs, tools, and produce. Keep using Jazz Bakhabar Kisan and be a smart farmer.